Voila! The as-a-service managed service model is here. So, how should a service provider successfully roll out an as-a-service strategy? This is the Managed Services Coffee Break series. In less time than it takes to drink your cup of coffee, you'll learn what the as-a-service model is, how businesses will integrate this model into their operations, and the 3 steps you need to choreograph a successful rollout. As-a-service is a specific type of computing which involves IT resources and services that can be accessed without owning the associated physical equipment. These services are delivered at the appropriate scale in a multi-tenant environment, on-premise, on-demand, or both. And they're available in 3 different flavors. Software as a service lets businesses access applications running on the service provider's infrastructure through a thin client interface. Platform as a service lets businesses deploy their custom applications into a service provider's infrastructure. Infrastructure as a service lets businesses rent processing, storage, networks, and other fundamental computing resources to deploy and run any software, operating systems, and applications. No matter which is chosen, a business won't have to manage or control the infrastructure, but it can control some key configuration elements. Usage will begin in 3 phases. In the current and first phase, businesses are virtualizing their standalone data centers using VMware to improve server utilization. During the second phase, companies will begin using services to bridge an on-premise private cloud and a public service provider-supported cloud. Applications from these clouds will communicate to form solutions. This is the hybrid cloud. In the third phase, multiple private clouds and public clouds spread across multiple service providers will communicate to provide solutions. This is no myth, it's the intercloud. Step 1. Start building out the infrastructure that will support the as-a-service model. Step 2. Start offering compute capacity to run customers' applications on the cloud. Disaster recovery to ensure business continuity, development platforms to allow new offerings to be tested and developed in the cloud, a virtual desktop reducing operating costs, and cloud bursting to provide overflow capacity during peak demand. Step 3. Eventually, move on to offering platform-based services. And there you have it, the 3 steps that will lead to a gradual and successful as-a-service rollout. This is one more chapter in the managed services story. More chapters will be available in the next few weeks. Meanwhile, learn how you can begin building your infrastructure to offer IaaS and how to take advantage of the $60 billion opportunity. It's just a click away.